everybody, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I wanted to just show you a real quick video of how I use packaging in my junk journal. So on this page, I just took, this was a plastic wrap around a thing of cotton candy that Bethany had received for Easter, and then I have this chip thing from Pringles, tags, and packaging from a hairbrush that I bought for Bethany. Here's the more of the cotton candy stuff. And let's see, I put this hummingbird feeder packaging on this page, and it actually looks great because the colors are perfect. They match perfectly. Unfortunately, the bird feeder was a pain in the butt because it didn't work because you know how it's got the little straw inside the flowers. It wasn't long enough to fit into the water stuff. So that was weird. Here I have packaging from McDonald's, and inside I have packaging from something that I bought my grandson. And I made it into a little journaling card. Alright, let's see what else I got. I often use tags from things that I buy, and then I take a picture of what I bought. And this is a craft tag from a craft kit that I had bought my grandson. There's his finished little finished robot. So so that's what I do. Let's see. I always put tags that I get in Amazon packages, in the mail. More craft packaging. This is directions for something that I had. Heart monitor thing. Let's see, more packaging for goggles. This was a little bag that a thing from the McDonald's Happy Meal was in, and inside I just put the packaging from gladiola bulbs that we had. This one was a journaling card, which I didn't journal on, and this one has photos on the back of it. So I'm really getting into packaging more and more. Tea bag, the tea bag covers, tea covers, and another package. What else have we got? More tea bag packaging. This was something I got in the mail from my daughter-in-law. Bethany went on her own with staff and bought Dobby some dog treats, so I used the bag for that. And then we bought a new rug. I don't know if you can tell. It's got little deer on it and pheasants and all kinds of cute things. And this was what came with the rug. You know how to take care of the rug. And this was on the package of some pretzel burger buns, which I thought were kind of unusual, so I kept the packaging. This was a scribbled, well, you can see my husband's face. I try to keep Bethany's face covered up, but I'm not always successful. But this was just a little craft thing. You can paint this little horse. I think it was a horse or a dog. Maybe it was a dog. And you can scrub it off and paint it over and over again. Oh, here's some more packaging of the cat craft kits that I got for Bethany and my grandson. Let's see now. Packaging from shoes we got Bethany. Here's more packaging. Another treat my grandson brings, and he just made a pocket out of it. This is something we found on our door, and I put that as a side pocket. This is instructions for a game that was Bethany's many years ago, and now my grandson is liking it. So we know how to play it, so I put the instructions in here, and I journaled a little bit on it on the inside, and that's it. However, today I'm going to take this packaging from, I have a short, if you'd like to see my review of the friendship bracelets and some charms from Five Below. I'm going to put this on as a pocket And yeah, check out my shorts if you're interested in seeing what I said about them. I show the charms in pretty detailed review. I'm not used to doing reviews though, let me just say. So I'm going to have that be a pocket. And then this is the back of the packaging of the tea bags that I showed you before, the tea bag covers. Now I got glue on it. I'm going to possibly use this. I'm going to just use it to show you that it's going to be a tag. I don't know if it's going to be in this pocket or not, but it could be. So this is just another example of using packaging. Make tags out of it. It's adorable. It could be a bookmark too, actually. Or it could be a pocket. If my pages were wider, I could just make it a bottom pocket. Or even a side pocket. Actually, that's not a bad idea. A side pocket. Maybe I'll do that. That would be cute. Yeah, I think I am going to do that. But maybe not on a white page, though. Stay tuned. We'll see how we progress with this thing. But let's see. I have a... like here. This isn't packaging, but I could use this, something like this in my, you know, it's going to have to be long enough. You can put a tab on the top. Yeah, that would be cute too. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope you are having a great day. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And maybe you got an idea that you didn't think about before. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Another package of a treat my grandson brought with him one day.